Why entry-level jobs are changing fast in the AAER. The starting point is shifting. Entry-level jobs used to be basic coding, manual testing, simple data tasks. Now, that's changing fast. What AA is doing, AI can now write basic code, test applications, analyze simple data tasks that beginners used to do are getting automated. The impact: fewer traditional entry-level roles, higher expectations from freshers. Companies want more value from day one. The new expectation: you're not expected to just know basics. You're expected to build projects, understand real scenarios, use AI tools effectively. What companies want now: problem-solving ability, practical skills, adaptability, learning mindset. Will struggle candidates who only rely on theory, have no hands-on experience, avoid new tools. Who will win? Candidates who build real projects, use AI to enhance skills, learn beyond courses. The shift from learning basics to applying skills. The opportunity: yes, some roles are shrinking, but new roles are also emerging. The final take: entry-level jobs are not disappearing. They are evolving, and you need to evolve with them. Rocket